Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a girl with a mask. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start with folding the paper in half. And then again like this in half. And then turn the paper around. So first I'm going to show you how to do the head. So start with a little line here and then another line there, like that. And then carry on with the line down here and then make this shape. Do the eyes, but they have to touch the bottom. Mask. So start from here and then just go up and touch the top of the fold and then they meet. Like your mask. So I'm just going to do a heart and then some stripes. I'm going to do the hair and you can do whatever hair you like. So now I'm going to be doing the body and I'll show you how to do it. So first start with 2 lines here and then stretch them out. These are going to be the shoulders and then put them down like that. Opening up the flap and then I'll be finishing the rest of the head. So now I'm going to be doing the face without the mask. And now I'm going to be doing the body. So it's going to be the same as the other body, but she's going to be doing a heart shape. I'm going to be doing the arm. So I finished the drawing. So this is the girl with the mask, and then when I open it, she's smiling. I'm going to colour it. So I've got my Sharpies here. So for the hair I'm going to be doing metallic brown colour, and then I'm going to add some pink, metallic pink highlights. So I've finished the front page. Now I'm going to open the flap and finish the rest. A bit more to her hair, I've made it longer. I really like her hair because it's too coloured, and I like the pink highlights. What I'm going to do is this bit I'm going to make into something that the girl is standing on. So I'm going to do it now. I'm going to be pretending she's standing on rocks. So I'm just adding more in the background. Now I've finally completed the picture, so here is how the first bit looks like. And then when I open it inside, it has this picture.